Hey guys, welcome to Mr. V's Kitchen. Today we're going to make a shrimp fried rice. We got a lot of review watch for the Ninja Foodi. So we're going to make the fried rice, shrimp fried rice from Ninja Foodi. It's pretty easy, just a 10 minutes. Let's go get started.
So first, let's start out with the ingredients. So we have ginger, garlic, and then we have 2 eggs, 2 brown eggs. Then some carrots and some shrimp, probably around 10 shrimp, and frozen peas. You can use frozen peas if you would like. And then we have our sausage, soy sauce, vinegar, and sriracha. And then we have our rice. Our rice is already pre-cooked, so you can just pre-cook the rice. We cooked it in a rice cooker. And then we're gonna be cooking all of this in the Ninja Foodi.
First, let's beat the egg. Yep, just a little bit. Okay, we're going to make a authentic ginger garlic paste. If you want to use, you can use the ready-made, but we love to make a fresh one. So this is the best. Let's turn on your Ninja Foodi, put it on a saute mode, and keep it for like a high. Just add 2 spoons of vegetable oil. You can go a little easy because fried rice need more. Just I put like 3 spoons of oil. Heat a little bit. Don't start with the egg because some videos they say start with the egg, because remember I have a fresh carrots and the peas, so the fresh carrot and the peas. Just give a saute for a minute. Alright, add our ginger garlic paste. So fresh ginger garlic. Just give a saute a little bit. Just add a little bit of salt, just a little bit. Don't do too much, just add a little bit of salt. Yep. Let it cook for like a minute. You'll see that fresh mixed smell coming out. Right now add your egg. Don't cook the egg too much, just give it a little bit. See that? Cooking. Alright. Leave all your egg and this everything in the one corner. So now add your shrimp. Don't cook a shrimp too much. Just give it like a minute. That's enough. Because if you cook the shrimp too much, you'll get rubbery. It doesn't taste good. Okay. All right. Mix everything together. Make sure it's cooking good. See that? Pretty good. Usually I like a spicy, so just add a little bit of the spicy sauce. Oops. Just a little bit. Don't do too much, just a little bit, so that your shrimp can have a little spicy taste to it. It's optional. If you don't like it spicy, just leave it, but I love to have spicy. Wow, look at that. It smells amazing. I feel like eating it, but I couldn't eat it because I'm a vegetarian. Just cooking for my kids. Alright, so now add the soy sauce. add just a little bit of vinegar. Don't do too much, just a little bit. Just sit that for like 30 seconds, then you can add the rice. Just make sure the rice is not too hot to be cooked. Right? So I saw that. It just takes a little bit of shrimp. Make sure it's cooked. The shrimp is cooked. Okay, I'm going to add the rice. Just for like a 10 shrimp, add like a cup and a half rice. Meaning I took a 1 cup of raw rice and cooked it. So probably I got like a cup and a half cooked rice. Okay. Just give it just a gentle mix. You're almost there. And I'm going to add a little bit of more soy sauce for the just a little bit flavor. Yep, so it looks perfectly all right. I mean, if you start cooking continuously, then you exactly know the smell will tell you, right? Okay, it's almost done. See that? Look at that. Everything's mixed together pretty well. It's a lot better than what you buy outside because it's everything is a raw, fresh ingredients, authentic way of cooking it. So home cooked. So exactly you know what you put it in, right? All right, I just turned it off. Let's go for a taste. All right, my son, Mr. Junior Ruiz here, he's going to taste it. Krishna, you want to give it a try? Taste it. Taste the rice and taste the shrimp.
It's so good, all the flavors. The ginger garlic paste, it's so good.
It's good?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to taste the shrimp now.
Okay. So hot. Okay, careful.
The shrimp is really cooked in. The flavors, you can really taste it.
Okay, shrimp cooked? The rice cooked? Everything is mixed together? Well? You like it?
Yep, love it.
You love it?
Definitely recommend this.
Okay, 10 out of?
10 out of 10.
He's just kidding. Go give it a try. Let me know. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching Mr. Ruiz's Kitchen.